Brian, let's hear from you in terms of what you point to as kind of the key systems, operational systems for those unattended locations.
Yeah. So I mean, yeah, we've hit it already, right? So it's interesting when you think about what is going to draw customers to a laundry. Pricing's not the number one thing; it's cleanliness, right? So you know that's an obstacle for people who want to be unattended. Is how do we maintain quality of and cleanliness in the store? So you know, being unattended, you've got to make sure that your independent contractor, whoever's going to be cleaning the store, is there enough. You know, most of the time for us, once a day, or maybe as you said, Casey, you know, one time during the day, and then pick another time to just come through quickly, right? And that's worked for us. I think it's important too to note that, you know, in some states they can be really sticklers on, you know, are they employees or independent contractors? So you got to make sure you follow the rules for your particular location. In most places, as long as they supply their own equipment to clean, they have their own business license to operate as a business within that area, and they're not on any particular hard schedule as far as what time they come in and go. Those are usually good enough to be able to pass that test. You know, opening and closing, it's automatic door locks. You can't leave it up to somebody to do it. And then you know, maintenance. Thank goodness for technology, right? I mean, the machines tell us now when there's a problem. Most of the time, they'll tell us what the problem is. So when we do go, or when we send somebody to go, they pretty much know what they need to have with them. So that helps as well.